makakausap natin ngayon ang byuda ni slain Governor Roel Degamo, incoming Negros Oriental Representative Janice Degamo. Congratulations on your win, Congresswoman.
Thank
at
you
magandang
po,
gabi.
Ma'am Corina.
Opo,
Good evening
opo.
po. Inyo po and to everybody watching and listening to you po right now.
Opo, so ngayon po, laman po ng balita itong nangyari po no, sa Timor-Leste. Ano pong masasabi ninyo sa pagkakaaresto kay dating Congressman Teves?
I hope po after the arrest, he will really be brought back home and be made answerable to the crimes committed sa husband ko along with the others who died with him po. Natutuwa po kami na sana yung balita kanina from the very post of his son, sana po talagang totoo na yun na maiuwi po talaga siya in the country po.
Right.
Para maharap niya yung charges against him.
Ano na po ba ang latest sa kaso laban po dito kay dating Congressman Teves?
Actually, the case is ongoing. The gunmen, every month, nagpupunta kami dyan sa Manila para mag-attend po ng hearing. At consistent naman po yung court na pinapatawag talaga on a monthly basis. Parang whole day pa nga po eh. We were given the idea na, like me for example, I am done with my part as a witness who have testified already. But we were informed by the court na the moment Arnie is brought back home, we will be called again to the witness stand. So we are looking forward for that to really happen po.
Ayon, so the case continues. With his
Yes,
presence in the Philippines, ayon, kailangan lang talaga maituloy ang paglilitis.
Yes po, kasi hindi po siya pwedeng litisin na wala siya sa Pilipinas.
Ayon. Ano naman po ang inyong reaksyon sa paratang ng anak ni Ginoong Teves na kinidnap ang kanyang ama?
Parang it is an exaggeration. No? Tingin ko it's an exaggeration. Alam po naman natin at the onset that his father fled the country after his name came out from the very mouth of the gunmen na ang nag-utos sa kanila si Kong Teves. His reason for going away made us all think na talagang bakit ka aalis kung kailangan mong i-clear yung pangalan mo. So it's not about kidnapping, it is an exaggeration, maybe to sound like a victim, pero tayong lahat po na alam namin yung nangyari, alam namin anong ginawa nila, hindi na po mag-i-effect yung sinasabing kinidnap sila.
So, needless to say, handa po kayong harapin siya no, sa kanyang pagbabalik. Kayo po ba ay confident na siya po ay will be found guilty?
Yes po, yes po. Ma'am Corina, it will be wrong to point your finger to someone else, knowing the fact na ang hinihingi namin justice. Wala pong justice kung magtuturo tayo ng hindi totoong nag-murder o naging brains behind the murder. Malakas ang kumpiyansa namin if you connect the stories being said, if you connect the evidence that we know existed, sana wag lang talagang mawala yung ebidensya. Alam namin na mapapatunayan talaga his involvement in the murder of my husband. In fact, Ma'am Corina, kahit yung kapatid niya na tumakbong governor na natalo this election, malakas din po ang kaso laban sa kanya. Hinihintay pa nga po namin when will it be pursued? Because hindi po kami naniniwala na si Arnie lang yan. That is Arnie and Henry Teves together.
I see. So, I'm tempted to ask kung ano po ang pinaka malakas na ebidensya, but that would be sub judice, ano po? Hindi natin pwedeng pag-usapan?
Yes po. Yes po. But when the case build-up for his brother was ongoing, the lawyer assigned to do the case build-up called me po and told me, Mayor, hindi lang pala ito explosives and illegal possession of explosives and firearms. This can also result to a filing of a murder case against Henry Teves. And so I asked the lawyer, who is also a courtroom lawyer for a long time. Sinabi niya sa akin, Mayor, matagal akong courtroom lawyer. Alam ko if there is a case. and a strong one for that. Kaya naghihintay kami that it will really be pushed through. Hopefully, this year talagang ma-push through po yung isang kaso against the brother of Arnie Tevez.
Okay, maraming salamat. Incoming Negros Oriental Representative, Janice Degamo.